Welcome back to Q12 TMT. In this video, we'll show you how to manage versions within test management and how to link releases to your test case documentation as a foundation for structured release management and complete traceability. In Q12 TMT, test case management is based on semantic versioning. The core idea: each version of a test case is clearly assigned to a specific release of the product being tested. The version number and assigned title appear in the project header to provide full transparency about the currently selected version. You'll also see whether it is the latest available version. New versions are always derived from an existing version and include a complete copy of all test cases. This ensures that previous documentation remains intact and that changes can be traced for each release. Test runs, however, are not copied, as they are release-specific by nature. The benefit: you can begin planning and adapting tests for the next release, even while an older version is still active in production. To create a new version, go to the Versions section via the project view. Select which existing version should serve as the basis for the new one. Here, you can also link a release from your connected ticket system, enabling reporting and analysis by release. Depending on the project size, creation may take a short moment. Once completed, you'll find the version details listed in the project version overview. The history of test cases plays a key role in versioning, as all changes are documented per version. Especially useful is the version delta, which shows which test cases have been created or modified compared to the previous version. To filter specifically for which and how many test cases were affected in a release, open the test case search, and activate the version delta filter. You now know how to use versioning and release management in Q12 TMT to work in a structured way, derive new versions, and track changes precisely. In the next video, we'll focus on team collaboration and task management, including how to assign test cases, review results collaboratively, and manage team-based testing workflows. See you soon.